3 Best Handheld Vacuum for Pet Hair 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 3, Powerful Lightweight 3-in-1 Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Discover unparalleled effortless cleaning freedom with our remarkably powerful, yet lightweight 3-in-1 cordless handheld vacuum. Weighing a mere 1.7 pounds, this agile powerhouse boasts an incredible 8,000 PA suction, making remarkably quick work of stubborn dust, persistent pet hair, and bothersome debris across upholstery, tight staircases, and intricate car interiors. Operated effortlessly with one hand, enjoying unrestricted cordless movement and total flexibility for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. Simply press and hold to instantly start your comprehensive deep clean. With versatile accessories like a precision crevice nozzle and a soft multifunction brush, tackling every hidden nook and challenging cranny becomes incredibly simple and effective. Experience a truly spotless and tidy space, redefined by ultimate convenience. Number 2, Versatile Rechargeable Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Tired of cumbersome cords and weak suction? Meet the versatile cordless handheld vacuum, your ultimate cleanup companion. Experience dual-speed suction, tackling everything from daily dust, eco mode, to stubborn dirt, max 17,000 pascals, with surprising quietness, under 75 dB. Its long-lasting 7,800 mAh battery provides up to 36 minutes of power, clearly displayed on the smart LED screen, so you're always prepared. Weighing a mere 1.5 pounds, this vacuum redefines portability. Cleanup is effortless with its one-button dust cup empty and 3-in-1 tool for every nook, cranny, and pet hair challenge. Plus, the HEPA filtration system ensures a cleaner home environment. Charge conveniently via its dock or USB-C, and enjoy unmatched freedom in cleaning your car, home, or office. Number 1, Powerful Cordless Hand Vacuum, Lightweight and Versatile. Tired of bulky vacuums missing hidden messes? Meet your new cleaning partner, the Powerful Cordless Hand Vacuum. Weighing a mere 1.6 pounds, this ultra-lightweight marvel delivers powerful 6,000 PA suction, effortlessly tackling stubborn crumbs and hidden debris. Its built-in LED light illuminates dark corners, ensuring no mess goes unseen. With 3 multifunctional attachments, including a flexible hose and crevice nozzle, you'll easily clean car interiors, upholstery, and tight spots, transforming to handle any task. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning, fully recharging in just 3 hours via USB. Plus, the washable HEPA filter and transparent 500 ml dustbin make maintenance a breeze. Experience truly versatile, grab-and-go cleaning for a spotless home and car. So, that sums up my 3 best handheld vacuum for pet hair. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.